Hi everyone, so today I am here with a video. It's saying that it's giving me the chance to be in one of my Roblox games. If you're not interested in Roblox and not interested in being in a game, or you don't even have a Roblox account, then that's fine. You don't have to watch the video then. But I'm just gonna say, in case you are interested in Roblox and you want to have the chance to be in my game, then just type your Roblox name in the comments. Type it, and also, when I check this out, it's going to be probably tomorrow or something to finish the game. Maybe it's going to be called Adventure Beta, because it's going to be in beta. But the people who made the game, I will make sure that it costs no money for them. And I will also give them free codes, but they are not allowed to share it to any other people. So, number one, if I say membership to you in friends, please do accept my friend request so I can actually, because it's like you've been having to check my YouTube channel and be like, oh yeah, all the time when so it's best that you friend me, please, because then I can just like do a random draw thing in a bowl or something. I don't know what I'm gonna do a draw in, but it's gonna be something. Okay? And it's gonna be exciting because I really want all of this to be my game, but I've also made up my own characters. Remember, I thought it wasn't recorded. That can be hosting. So oh my gosh, the lag is real in this game because I'm so fast. Well, if you want to go, you will get free codes in my game, not for pets. No. For 10 levels of each power, if you have the owner. And that is actually pretty good for each power because in each biome you can only train for one power, which is the enemy of the power of the biome. So it's pretty much just like Pokemon, except it's not Pokemon. It's here I'll show you. I'm just gonna leave this in for a minute. So it's kind of like Pokemon, but except there's no gyms. There's only so if you want to be my game, just comment down your Roblox username like this. Just gonna speak to Safari, she won't mind. Like this. Like that bit. And if you want, instead of typing your username, you could do the site. But actually do your site, not website Roblox. And then send it to me on YouTube. Bye. I know you can hear crying.